up again.
All right, so we have the crew from PAK Foods. PAK Foods LLC, they are the owners and operators of the KFC and the new Taco Bell in Benson. And they're here today as a group to do the honors after working for a few months on the renovations and getting a new crew out here. And so they've invited some city officials over to enjoy in the celebration. We've got the city manager.
Welcome everyone, and thanks for attending our grand opening of our KFC. Familiar faces. How many of you were down when we opened up the Taco Bell? Same? Okay, very good. So now we add 2 businesses to the town of Benson, as well as a lot more jobs. So we want to appreciate all your support for the city. We couldn't do it without you guys. So thanks for
Well, on behalf of the city, I want to welcome you again. Grand reopening of KFC. We're excited to have you here, and my staff is always willing to help you, and we appreciate it.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
And I do want to recognize the team here. Christine had to give me a list to sort of remember the names, but Christine's the area coach, so she's the area supervisor, and Luis is the RGM. He's right here, the restaurant general manager. So you'll see him more than you'll see us. Andrea was here. She's actually the Taco Bell restaurant general manager. She's up here helping out today. And then I do want to recognize the team here today: Daniel, Emily, Josh, and Lisa. Is that right? Very good. And then we have our director, Adrian. So we couldn't do it without him. He kind of covers this territory for us. And then our director of facilities and construction, he's going to be very busy because we're building a lot of stores right now. Right? I am.
Do you remember where you live?
and I can't forget Bill. So some of you I know have talked to Bill to kind of coordinate this whole event. So Bill is our director of marketing and restaurant management. So Bill, thank you very much.
Of course.
And for those who don't know me, I'm Dave Werman. I'm the Chief Operations Officer and Operating Partner for PAK Foods. So again, welcome and thank you very much. So we're ready to run these together?
Certainly.
All right. We need sharper.
You have it, the reopening of the KFC at the 90 and I-10 in Benson. Come by and check it out.
All right.
KFC is an iconic American brand. I can't even remember the first time I had it. I just know that I was just a little one. So anyway, come on out to the Benson KFC and give these guys a visit and check out the new dining room. And yeah, adds to the new tapestry of what's available in Benson.